This recipe literally comes from 3 generations of women in my family. My mother, my grandmother had a bunch of sisters, my great-grandmother, and so this is a foundation, right? But I amped it up a little bit over the years, but this is something I grew up on. It smells great, and I never get out of my head. So we'll start with some chicken. I like it room temperature, right? We don't want to kill the oil. So I have some breast here. First of all these seasonings are the basic same seasonings that my grandparents, my mother used to use, except for sazon. But everything else is here. There's salt, the black pepper, the white pepper, the onion powder.
Oh, yes.
We have an array of beautiful spices.
Look at that. Look at all
Paprika,
that.
cumin, a little bit of ginger.
That ginger, I love that.
It gives a little snap.
Dry mustard.
Absolutely, dry mustard.
Yes,
it gives
dry
it definitely
mustard
a snap.
and ginger together. Oh, I'm so with you.
Yes. I don't brine my chicken. I don't use a brine.
You just get it in there.
Yeah, buttermilk was a little expensive back in the day, so I don't think my grandmother was like using buttermilk to throw it away in the garbage. So here we go. So it's all about the batter for us at Big Shakes. So we're going to add a little water inside the bowl. We're going to make a batter, right? So we got all those terrific seasonings in there. Take about a cup.
Oh, that's so clever.
Maybe a little bit more. Then we're going to mix this up till it's nice and smooth. If you need
that's
to add,
so clever. So you can make a base and have a whole bunch of it.
Absolutely.
Oh, I love that.
And if you need it, because listen, a lot of times,
clever.
as soon as you throw that chicken in the grease, your flour's going to fall right off, right?
Right.
So you have all your seasonings right here in this batter.
Oh.
And it's automatically going to have all the seasons in there. Look at that.
I love this method.
So we're going to get some pieces in there.
It's so brilliant. So brilliant.
Now,
love.
For my oil, I know a lot of people like to cook on 350. I try to take it down a notch. I don't want to overcook my chicken. I like soft, I like juicy chicken, but I want the outside to be crispy as well.
These are all great tips.
So
this is huge. This is big.
I love a temperature at 335. It's like that perfect temperature where the outside is going to get crispy, the inside is still going to remain nice and juicy and tender. So you want to put the big pieces in first because they're going to cook the longest. They're going to take the longest.
Oh, look at that nice, gentle bubble.
Yes.
That's like, we're hanging out in the hot tub.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you want to really want to shake off that chicken, right? Because all this flour that's going to end up in the bottom of that pan is going to start to burn, right? So you don't want it to burn.
So shake off your excess.
Because it's going to transfer to the taste of that chicken. You don't want burnt chicken. You don't want that taste. So we got some collard green leaves here. I typically like to cut that stalk out. So we're going to chop these greens up, cook them for about an hour. About a gallon of water or so. Cook them for about an hour so they get nice and tender. Cook them way down, right? If you need to add more water, add more water. So I'll start with smoked turkey wings and collard greens.
Yes!
There's nothing better.
Yes!
Those collard greens are going to be so great, so smoky. The meat that's going to fall off the bone of those collard greens are going to be an extra meal for you.
Yes.
So I wanted these are cooked down. So these are ingredients. Here we go. We got some chicken bouillon, about a half a cup. I have my onion powder, my garlic powder, my white pepper. I got ginger again, and I got some white sugar to go in there. So we're going to dump this right in here.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Smoked turkey legs, we eat them year-round, not just around the holidays. And I love a smoked turkey leg and soups and stews. Oh, my God. So
there's nothing like it. The flavor is amazing.
Yes.
So we're going to cook this for about another hour and a half. Hour and a half, because these collard greens need to be tender. They need to be smooth like butter.
The longer they set, the better they get. Yeah.
It's like eating butter. So here we go. We got some butter to go in there. We'll start simmering down.
Some butter.
You gotta use. We use a lot of butter. A lot of butter. It's never enough butter.
They are like butter. No, actually, they are butter.
Yeah. There's nothing better than butter.
And
so
then
here we go.
Peppers,
I got some
onions,
diced peppers, some onions. Let that cook down. When I'm telling you, this is a meal in itself.
Yes, it is. Flip the bird.
Flip that bird. And listen, you don't want to overcrowd the pan that you're frying in.
Yeah, exactly, because you want to take that temp down.
There you go.
Right, exactly.
You don't want it to be cold.
You want to let it get going. Should we show them down here?
Yes. What we got?
Yeah, I want to show them the tadas.
Finished product.
Show the product. Take a
fork.
My
goodness. Oh my goodness.
Look, baby, it's a collard bowl made for two.
I love it. I love it.
Take one. We'll have a little cheers.
I love it.
A little collard cheers.
Cheers.